Okay, June just got sent this brand new Pentax 645 by her mom. It was a gift.
Yeah, it was a gift from a friend's dad who was into photography.
It's like in perfect condition, and I've never shot a roll of 120.
Neither have I.
So first time shooting 120 film with the Pentax 645. We have the 75mm f2.8. We have Portra 400 in here. We're rating it at 200. We have about an hour, a little less than an hour left of light, so we're gonna get shooting. I'm using the R5 with the Canon 50mm RF 1.2.
Okay.
So
it says -2, and so then I go.
So it's 2 stops under.
Oh yeah, no, it says okay.
Cool.
So we're set.
Oh!
Cool.
So first impressions of the Pentax 645.
It has a very satisfying shutter noise. It's lighter than I thought it would be. It looks like it would be 1,000,000 pounds. How do you deal with like the guilt of taking a film frame?
Oh my God, I don't know.
What is the answer to that? As long as I can see the, oh, gorgeous. You should be the model for everything we do. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. I guess I don't have to count. It's the R5. Nice. Where to? Up or down?
One, two, three. Proving to be impossible. It's just like very challenging, I think. All right, it's gonna be blurry. I also, oh, that's good when you look at me, that's nice.
Okay, it's being tricky.
Ah, there we go.
We did
it's
it!
Done.
Oh my God, how cool. I don't know, I'm curious about what they look like. I wish I could look at them. I miss that part, you know? But it's good, I liked it. It's nice. Cool. Very satisfying.
Aha!
Haha. Cool, so it wound it for us?
Yep. All right, so here's our roll of 120 film. So see, now it says exposed.
Cool.
So we know that we shot it, and what you do is, there's this little bit here. You tuck this like this, and then you lick this.
Wait, give us the lick again.
You lick this, and It's just like, you know, like when you're sending a letter or something. And then this keeps the film nice and safe. It says exposed. This is a exposed roll of 120 film.
Oh yeah.
So we just finished our first roll of 120 film, as you saw, on the Pentax 645. We're gonna send off the film. I use a couple of labs. One is called the Red Room Photo Lab. It's in LA, and the other one I've been using recently is the Fine Lab in Utah. I think we're gonna send it to Fine Lab.
Hell yeah. Goodbye.
Any final thoughts?
Final thoughts? Not really. That was
Okay,
fun.
let's
I
go.
liked it.
It's
Let's do more
freaking
film.
cold.
Let's do more film.
Love is